Hello everyone. We all know what Wikipedia is. It is an encyclopedia that contains information of about almost everything. Most of us have referred to Wikipedia in one point or another in our lives. What's interesting about Wikipedia is that almost every page on Wikipedia leads to philosophy. Let me elaborate. If you click the first link in any main text in any Wikipedia page and do the same for the subsequent page and keep on going, you will finally end up on the philosophy page. There are few constraints that needs to be followed before you click the link. The link should not be in any parenthesis or in italics. Also, the link leading to the page other than Wikipedia should be ignored. If you follow this, then 97% of the pages will ultimately lead to philosophy. Let me show you an example. So this is the Wikipedia website. We're gonna click on random article to run any random page from Wikipedia. Okay, we got Camberley, New Zealand. We click the first link. Now as I said earlier, we ignore the link in parenthesis and move ahead and we click New Zealand cities and keep on doing this. The reason we don't click on links inside the parenthesis is because it usually contains the origin or abbreviation of the word and doesn't tell much about the subject. You can try this on your own with random articles. It will take some time to reach philosophy. Go on clicking the first link. And there it is, philosophy. So Camberley, New Zealand led us to philosophy. Let's try with another random article. This is okay, I'm not going to pronounce this. I'm guessing this is some kind of moth species. We keep clicking the first link. Now note that 97% of these articles take you to philosophy. The rest 3% don't. Go on clicking the first link. Natural science branch, sciences. We again got science, so we know that it's going to take us to philosophy. We got the same thing in our earlier example as well. And voila, we reach philosophy. You can visit the website zephyr.com/Wikipedia and type the Wikipedia article titles and it will show you the pages that you have to go through before reaching philosophy. So basically it simulates the whole clicking on the first link thing. If you're wondering where the philosophy article takes you, well, it goes in loop and you again come back to the same article. Now, is it a coincidence or intentional? Or is it because everything ultimately leads to philosophy? Well, the reason behind this is the design of Wikipedia. The Wikipedia Manual of Style Guidelines on how to write the lead section of an article recommend that the article should start by defining the topic of the article so that the first link of each page will naturally take the reader into a broader subject, eventually ending in wide reading pages such as mathematics, science, language, and of course philosophy, which is also known as the mother of all sciences. What's intriguing about this is that the entire Wikipedia system is composed of so many different authors and articles without any specific source, and yet the theory of philosophy being the mother of all sciences applies. This video is going to be a part of video series that I'll be making called Stuff That Is Unknown. Hope you like it. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and thank you for watching.